Well, hello. You have clicked on this because you're interested in doing the portfolio option, which means you're going to be doing things on paper, and then you'll be taking pictures of them and submitting them in a portfolio. So let me just show you the format here. Option 1, create a drawing portfolio that is completely on paper. You will need 4 high-effort drawings. The drawings should show you spent time and effort on them. They can be detailed sketches or cartoon-style colored drawings. I have to kind of say that because I'm not sure what supplies you have at home, but I'm sure that I can basically say that everyone should have a pencil and something to draw on. So if that's all you have, I expect that you put some time and effort into your sketches. You're doing shading, you're putting extra details in your drawings to make it look like you spent some time on it. This is only one project per week, so I'm expecting that you spend some quality time on it. I will submit a video weekly, but you can make your own choices if you wish. So I will have a video that you can draw from, or you can choose something else if you'd like on YouTube, or just draw from your own, something in your own home. You need to take pictures of your drawings and place them on a Google Slides presentation that I will provide for you, and it's attached. You will submit the portfolio of 4 pictures on Monday, 6/1. That's 4 high quality drawings. One high quality drawing a week. So let me show you what that's going to look like. That's going to be attached to this assignment. So you're going to have 4 places to insert pictures. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Let's look at the calendar here. We can see that week 1 is this week. So you're going to have to do something this week, due on Monday. And then week 2 will be the 11th through the 18th. Right? And then the 18th through the 25th will be week 3, and then week 4 will be through the 4th. Okay? You're going to basically take pictures of those assignments. You could do it at the end if you wish, as far as the pictures, but I highly recommend you do your pictures every week so that you're staying up with the class. And you're going to take a picture of it and save it to your Google Drive. Insert image from Google Drive. Okay? There should be 4 pictures here on one page, so that when I go to grade it, I'm looking at one page and I can see that you put 4 high quality pictures in there. So that's really it for the remainder of, or until June 1st. We'll probably have one small assignment after that. So thanks so much for your participation. Just make sure you're staying up with the class. I will make sure that you're checking in with me via the videos that I post every week, or I'll be checking in with you. So I hope you're staying healthy, and thank you for your participation, class. And I hope that you're enjoying this class. I know it's taken a twist, and there's a part of me that feels really bad that you're not able to use the program and have this class to its full extent. But hopefully you make the best of it and use this time to be creative. Thanks.